Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is actually a beauty trend that was doing the rounds a few months back, where you must have noticed that everyone was trying to follow someone else's makeup tutorial and recreate that look on themselves. Well, I have joined the bandwagon a little late, but better late than never. So today I'm going to be recreating Rihanna's epic 10-minute Vogue makeup tutorial that she recently did to promote her own brand of cosmetics that's not available in India. I will be using some really affordable drugstore makeup brands like L'Oreal, Maybelline, LA Girl, all of it that I've purchased from Myntra Beauty, and I will be recreating the same exact look while watching the video with her. So are you guys ready? I sure am, so let's get straight into it. I'm gonna play the video now.
Hi! We're gonna have some fun today. So
She's so feisty.
we're gonna start with the foundation.
Okay, foundation.
Let's get messy
Cool.
with it.
I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation.
That's only half of my face. In 10 minutes or
Yeah. Makeup can actually take like ages sometimes, or sometimes you can just like get done with it.
a little bit of contour.
Okay, so she skipped to contour, so I'm gonna pause her there and I'm gonna finish my base. He's going really fast, by the way. Okay, contour.
Right here.
I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible
Contour your face
Pro
and
Contour
your face.
Contour and Highlight
The way you see it in every
Palette.
tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead. So
I'm
I
using
like
the
to
contour
lean
shade to just like
here,
slightly contour my
hide that.
cheeks.
You know what I'm saying? Very important to go into the hairline too, because I hate to see that
Very
white
important to
line
go into the
between
hairline.
Up
So
and down the nose. Contour always
and
starts
down
off
the
looking
nose.
absolutely crazy. I got double chin. Yes. Yes.
okay, next she is going in with concealer. For myself, I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro Conceal High Definition in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna play this now.
Everybody knows concealer is made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers.
I'm not using much. So now she is mattifying her face by applying some loose powder. So I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Matte Magique Matte Transforming Compact. This is amazing for keeping your skin matte all day long. And I'm gonna use this with my beauty blender and apply it all over my face to set both the contour and the foundation. So she is going in with bronzer.
The blend is
And I'm going to use the same L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour kit that I used before as also a bronzer.
finesse on the forehead over here.
Finesse on the forehead.
Next,
Next,
brows.
brows. Okay,
Eyes a little bit.
she's warming up her eyes now. So I'm going to do that using the same Infallible Pro Contour kit. It's just about using the same products over and over again. All you need to do is change the brushes and you're good to go. So using this for the third time now. And now for eyeshadow, she is using this Not Launch eyeshadow, which is like this purplish pinkish color, very, very metallic, but I don't have that. So L'Oreal Paris La Palette Nude, and I'm gonna take the last shade here, this one. I'm just gonna take it on my fingers. It's a little bit darker than what she's using, but taking the same shade on the lower lash as well. So since my eyes look way more dull than Rihanna's, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the L'Oreal Dazzle lip gloss. This is like the shimmery golden shade, and I'm just going to take like a very tiny amount and just like put it on my lids to like sort of brighten it up. Like a shimmery, creamy sort of a texture. So just like Rihanna says, the blush depends also on your mood, and I'm feeling bright today, so I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Paris Paradise Coral Blush, and this is like a really bright color. I've been using this for a really long time. You can see I've almost finished it, but I'm gonna take all these three shades, I'm gonna mix them up nicely on my blush brush, and I'm gonna just like go straight into my cheeks and give them that bright pinky tone. By the way, she completely forgot mascara, or she did it on her own off camera, I don't know. So I'm going to quickly use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and get back. Alright, next she's going in with what probably is Rihanna's favorite part and every girl's favorite makeup part, which is highlighter. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator. Ooh. This looks pretty good. The cheeks. Perfect. Next. Alright, so she's going crazy with her lips. She's using like this pinkish gold, beautiful, not launched lip gloss. But of course we don't have that, so we are going to be using two lip glosses from L'Oreal. One is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. This is going to be the base, and I'm going to be highlighting my lips with the L'Oreal Paris Dazzle Gloss, which I used on my eyelids as well. So let's get straight into it. This is like the perfect nude shade, so you don't even get to know. And now comes the actual part that's going to make all the difference. We're going to dazzle just in a moment. I interpreted this lip color that Rihanna is using, and I think I did a pretty good job. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That brings us to an end of this video. I mean, I'm loving this look. I have done a pretty natural take of what Rihanna did. Hers is like more like color and more purples out there, but I try to do my best using drugstore products that I found on Myntra Beauty, which is a great app. You guys should download it if you haven't done that already. You will find the link in my description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this makeup tutorial, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and love you all. Bye.